largest trees planted on the West Capitol campus of the Washington State Capitol grounds here in Olympia are these Atlas cedars on Cherry Lane near the roundabout at the heart of the historic West Capitol campus. Dating back to the original 1929 landscape plan from the Olmsted brothers, these two trees are landmarks in their own right that form somewhat of an entryway to anybody approaching the Legislative Building or the Temple of Justice from the east. The Atlas cedar is a true cedar tree from the Atlas Mountains of Morocco and Algeria, which makes them the only commonly planted ornamental landscape tree native to the continent of Africa. True cedars are members of the pine family and have needle-like leaves borne upright on the twig in clusters of up to 50. Its closest relatives are the cedar of Lebanon and the deodar cedar native to the Himalaya region of South Asia. Both of those tree species are also commonly planted along with Atlas cedar in regions with a Mediterranean climate that experience dry summers like that which we experience here in Olympia. Cedar trees are noteworthy for their aromatic resin, needles, and wood. The term cedar broadly applies to any wood that's heavy and/or aromatic. Our western red cedar, for example, is actually in the cypress family and gives off a strong aroma whenever it's cut for lumber. Spanish cedar is another tree with heavy and aromatic wood that's used to make cigar boxes, but that wood comes from a species of tropical broadleaf evergreen native to Central and South America. The genus of true cedars, or Cedrus, includes only 3 or 4 species in the pine family that are native to South Asia and the Mediterranean region. Outside of its native range, the Atlas cedar thrives in wetter climates where it's commonly planted in parks, gardens, large estates, and arboretas such as this one. Many selections have been made from this species, but the ones that have very blue foliage or dwarf selections such as those with weeping foliage are the ones that are most commonly planted due to their striking appearance. Yet most often it's the large form of this tree most commonly planted because of its stately appearance and broad canopy that casts much needed shade over dry Mediterranean climates where it thrives. Atlas cedar and other large stature conifers can serve as focal points in landscapes and arboreta such as this one. I encourage you to visit the historic West Capitol campus in Olympia and its arboretum, which is internationally accredited.